If you want the ultimate refreshing bite from Spain, stop making boring salads. The secret lies in combining sun-ripened tomatoes, crisp cucumbers, and farm eggs.
Always start by washing your fresh summer produce under cold running water. Slice your crisp cucumber thinly to release that refreshing, cool crunch. Cut thick, juicy wedges of ripe, sweet Spanish tomatoes. Finely slice red onion for an extra kick of sharp summer flavor. Roughly chop a handful of fresh parsley to elevate the rustic aroma.
First, boil your fresh eggs in salted water for exactly 9 minutes.
Shock them in ice water so the shells slip off effortlessly.
Slice them smoothly. They add that rich, creamy finish to every bite. Layer your ripe heirloom tomatoes, crisp cucumbers, and egg slices carefully. Drizzle with top-quality Spanish extra virgin olive oil. Add aged sherry vinegar and a pinch of flaky sea salt to bring it to life. And there you have it, the ultimate Spanish summer salad. Subscribe for more secret recipes.